Hi, this is Kelly from slowyarn.com. I just wanted to show you what I found this weekend. I picked up treasure. If you've already tried eco-printing, you probably know that these autumn leaves fallen from the trees are rich in tannins and color and can leave amazing prints. If you haven't tried eco-printing, then what are you waiting for? It's one of the hottest fiber arts of the year. Go to slowyarn.com for a very basic tutorial on how to eco-print. Be sure to subscribe to the mailing list so I can let you know when I publish further articles on how to refine your process. By next summer, you'll be as obsessed as I am with finding pretty leaves to make magic with eco-prints.